Hello and welcome to our new video. Today's topic is Newton's equation of motion and uniform circular motion. Let's start with Newton's equation of motion. This law states that Newton's second law, which states that the force F acting on a body is equal to the mass m of the body multiplied by the acceleration of its center of mass. F equals m and a is the basic equation of motion in classical mechanics. This is a simple example of Newton's second law of motion. In this, the plane is moving with acceleration and force is equal to mass into acceleration. Now let's talk about uniform circular motion. The movement of a body following a circular path is called a circular motion. Now, the motion of a body moving with constant speed along a circular path is called uniform circular motion. Here, the speed is constant, but the velocity changes. Example of uniform circular motion can be the ride of the roundabout in the amusement parks. The equation for uniform circular motion is V is equal to 2 pi r upon time, where T is equal to total time taken to cover one circumference of the circle, r is equal to the radius of the circle, and V is equal to velocity. Examples of circular motion include an artificial satellite orbiting the Earth at a constant height, a sailing fan's blades rotating around a hub, a stone which is tied to a rope and is being swung in circles. Motion of electron around the nucleus is orbital motion are some of the examples of uniform circular motion. This is all about Newton's second law of motion and uniform circular motion. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.